Hey everyone, Coach Sarah here. Today I'm going to show you how to make some very versatile whole food bars using dates, cinnamon and ginger, coconut, and ground flaxseed. Okay, let's get started. So you're going to pit all of the dates, which means you're going to spread it apart, get all that in there, put it in the food processor. So you're gonna wait until it's about this kind of a texture, like all goopy and whatnot in there. And then you're going to add this mixture. So I've got about 3/4 cup of coconut and about 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed, but you can use a cup of anything. Really, it's just 10 to 11 dates and a cup of any kind of nut seed. Now we're gonna add in our little spices in here. So you really want it to go together nicely. So you're gonna take some of it and you're gonna pinch it like this. If it easily stays together, you've got a great bar. You don't need to add any more dates. If it's too dry, you're gonna add some more dates. If it's really, really sticky, you're gonna add more dry ingredients. It really depends on what you're putting in here. So we're gonna take this out. You're gonna grab all of it and mush it together. Okay. Now you've got your ball. Now that you've got your ball, you're gonna want to press it firmly down, kind of make it a flat disc. And the whole goal here is to make it into a square. So you've got your knife, making it a square. You've gotta have parchment paper, because the parchment paper will prevent it from sticking to whatever board you're using. Okay. And then we're gonna cut it into nicely shaped bars. Now you're using your knife as a guide so that it really creates that kind of border. Otherwise it's really hard to press out a square with just your hands. And there you have it. Got some nice bars, or nice bars up here, nice size. Easily freezable, or you can eat right away or store in the fridge. And then you've got this, you can always roll it into an energy ball. So either one, whatever works for you. Enjoy.